When it comes to finding the right dropshipping tool for your business, two names often come up: Oberlo and Spocket. Both claim to provide solid supplier connections, but which one actually delivers the better options? By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which platform can help you build the best dropshipping store, and why you might even want to explore an alternative tool for supplier connections. First up, let's talk about Oberlo. It's widely known for its integration with Shopify, making it a go-to for users of that platform. You can quickly add products to your store from suppliers, mostly from AliExpress. But here's the catch: while Oberlo gives you access to a ton of products, the suppliers tend to be mostly from China. This often means longer shipping times and sometimes inconsistent product quality. So, while Oberlo is convenient, it may not always give you the best supplier connections in terms of reliability. Next thing, we've got Spocket. Spocket's main selling point is that it offers suppliers from the US, Canada, and the EU, which could mean faster shipping times and potentially higher quality products. This is definitely a step up if you're targeting markets in those regions. But Spocket isn't perfect either. While it offers a better selection of local suppliers compared to Oberlo, the pricing can be a bit steeper, and the platform is more limited in terms of overall product variety compared to Oberlo's massive AliExpress catalog. The third thing to consider is ease of use. Oberlo, as part of Shopify, offers a clean and straightforward interface. It's designed for beginners and is perfect for those who want to quickly start their dropshipping store without too much hassle. Spocket is also user-friendly, but it's not as tightly integrated with Shopify. While it works seamlessly with Shopify, it doesn't offer the same level of user experience or automation that Oberlo does in this aspect. The fourth thing we need to consider is the supplier vetting process. Oberlo lets you see ratings and reviews from other users, but since many of the suppliers are on AliExpress, there's a lot of variability in quality. On the other hand, Spocket claims to have a more curated selection of suppliers. They do a better job of vetting their suppliers, which can give you more confidence in product quality, but that also means you're paying for the extra work they've put in. The fifth point is pricing. Oberlo is free, which makes it attractive if you're just starting out and want to test the waters. However, once you start scaling, you'll run into limitations with the free plan and will have to move to a paid version. Spocket, on the other hand, has both free and paid plans, but the free version is very limited in what it offers. The paid plans are expensive, especially if you want to access premium suppliers with faster shipping times. So, when you're asking Oberlo versus Spocket, which dropshipping tool provides better supplier connections, here's the bottom line. While Oberlo is perfect for beginners looking for a low-cost, easy-to-use tool with a wide range of suppliers, Spocket shines when it comes to faster shipping times and higher quality suppliers in the US, EU, and Canada. But even with Spocket's strengths, I'm going to be real with you. Both of these tools fall short in some areas. After trying both of them myself, I found that there's a better alternative if you're looking for top-notch supplier connections for your dropshipping business. And trust me, it's not either of these tools. If you want to get the best supplier connections, check out the first link in the description below. By using this link, you'll get access to a free trial and exclusive benefits that aren't available anywhere else. Take advantage of it now and see for yourself how much better this alternative is for your business. The tools we've discussed today are good, but if you want something that truly gives you the best supplier connections without the drawbacks of Oberlo and Spocket, click the link in the description.